Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where a wide variety of programs and opportunities prepare high school students for success in future careers. High school students have fantastic possibilities through early career programs, but to be prepared for a hot prospect in their senior year, juniors need to plan and prepare now.
Millions of years ago, humans first learned how to harness the power of fire. Thousands of years ago, humans learned to meld metal together by creating pressure with fire during the Bronze Age. And today, some of the highest paying and most in-demand careers involve a torch that can fuse or cut metal to build the world's mightiest ships, tallest buildings, or some of the most captivating artwork ever seen. Novice welders can enter the workforce making $15 to $20 an hour, while more experienced welders can net an annual salary over $50,000. With more welders retiring each year, there are literally hundreds of thousands of openings for this in-demand skilled trade. Through the Early Career Program, high school students in Newport News Public Schools have access to advanced courses and certifications in welding during their senior year. Newport News Public Schools fully understands that students have a range of pathways to follow after graduation. All jobs do not require a college degree, with most skilled trades relying on experience, certifications, and hands-on expertise. Skilled trades are becoming more and more important in our everyday lives. Even with a world on the brink of full technological automation, it is skilled workers who make these advances possible. The Early Career Program seeks to offer students the most direct route to a successful career, while saving students money and time. Through a partnership with Thomas Nelson Community College, high school seniors are able to take advanced welding courses while still in high school. Early career students are eligible for the welding portion of the program at the end of the first semester in their senior year, and upon successful completion of standard or advanced diploma requirements. Once eligible, the door is open for seniors to complete courses at TNCC in the spring. The discounted cost for tuition, textbooks, and supplies is only $200 for early career participants, saving families about $8,000 in enrollment fees. The region's best welding instructors will guide students through 5 courses, focusing on the techniques and safe operation of several welding methods, including stick welding, flux cord, and gas tungsten arc welding. Small class sizes allow more individual training in an accelerated learning environment. The experience and certifications gained here, along with job placement support, will immediately open employment opportunities for early career graduates. Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. Talk to your school counselor today for registration details. Openings for enrollment in the Early Career Program are extremely limited, while the potential for success in the welding trade is limitless. With a higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and available jobs all across the globe, you can build a bright future through the NNPS Early Career Program in welding.
High school students also have opportunities available to them through paid summer internships. But the deadlines for applications are just around the corner. Internships for Spark, which is the summer program for arts, recreation, and knowledge, provide selected high school students with paid work during the month of July for 7 hours a day, Monday through Thursday. These internships are available for NNPS students ages 16 and over, as well as former NNPS students who are currently enrolled in undergraduate studies. For more information and an online application form, go to the Spark Student Intern Opportunities webpage on the NNPS website. The deadline for applications is April 11th. Paid summer internships through Career Pathways provide Newport News Public Schools students with opportunities to work within an NNPS department that best matches their career interests and goals. Applicants must be rising 11th or 12th graders, ages 16 and over, or turning 16 by June 1st. For more information, go to the Career Pathways webpage on the NNPS website. The deadline for applications is April 12th. It's clear that high school students have resources available to them to build skills and gain experiences necessary for future success. In Newport News Public Schools, our high schools are the final step on the path towards graduation. The academic foundation formed during the elementary years and built upon in middle school comes together during the high school years. In high school, students have 4 exciting years to experience personal growth, exciting achievements, and memorable accomplishments as they journey into a bright future. Every high school is staffed with highly trained teachers and equipped with state-of-the-art classrooms, offering an engaging and intuitive curriculum designed to bring out the best in every student. Students have different class schedules, but every morning begins in a homeroom with the same teacher. School counselors offer personal attention for scheduling and course selection. And even though students have a wealth of options to choose from, high school isn't all about book smarts. Students are encouraged to grow as individuals, learn to make their own decisions, and experience how they can give back to their community. In Newport News Public Schools, our nationally ranked high schools are preparing students to be college, career, and citizen ready. High school is not the last academic stop for many of our students. So preparing now for acceptance into an institution of higher education is paramount. From a freshman's first semester to a senior's final test, every grade counts. College may seem a long way off for many underclassmen, but every semester affects the final grade point average. A high GPA means more opportunities after high school. Performing well in honors and advanced placement courses can help boost a student's GPA while preparing him or her for the high expectations of college. Advanced placement and dual enrollment courses offered through Career and Technical Education allow students to begin earning college credits while still in high school. And for students who complete the requirements for an advanced studies diploma during their senior year, the early college program offers full enrollment into Thomas Nelson Community College a semester early and at a reduced cost. But college isn't for everyone, and some college-bound students are hoping to prepare for their future careers now. Newport News Public Schools offers an amazing array of career readiness options to high school students. School counselors and teachers steer students onto personalized paths through precise course selections, hands-on training, and internships. Career pathways are found in every school and consist of interrelated courses as well as curricular, extracurricular, and service learning experiences. Through these options, students will be equipped with the skills and a clear understanding of the pathway to success for their chosen career. Many of our high schools allow students to focus on specific skills and content areas. These magnet programs can help prepare students in areas such as the arts, aviation, communication, and STEM-related fields. Newport News students can also attend courses at the New Horizons Regional Education Centers to receive hands-on training in a variety of career and technical fields. And to help keep track of all their accomplishments, students record their experiences and training in electronic portfolios. This digital resume allows students to document their own career readiness during and beyond their high school years. Woven into every high school experience is the opportunity to grow as productive citizens in an ever-changing global society. Citizenship traits are exemplified by our quality teaching staff, and students learn how to contribute to their community as young adults. Every high school student is encouraged to grow and succeed through involvement in clubs, activities, and sports. And since many extracurricular activities occur after school, Newport News provides free transportation twice a week for activities and for many sporting events. With a number of clubs and activities available, each student can find an organization that fits. By joining a club or activity, students develop new skills, meet new people, and expand their interests. And with motivated members, many clubs donate time, resources, and offer a helping hand to our local community. And youth development coordinators at each school mobilize teams of students to be a positive force inside their school and help them reach beyond the classroom walls to make an impact in the surrounding community. Organized by the Virginia High School League, sports promote teamwork, athletic excellence, and discipline. Athletics happen year-round in Newport News high schools, from summer conditioning to a myriad of junior varsity and varsity sports in the fall, winter, and spring. Elite competition through regular season games and tournaments can prepare athletes to compete at the next level too. Every school is staffed with an athletic director to help guide individuals and teams to success. And with qualified coaches and training staff, student athletes find the support needed to succeed on and off the field. In Newport News Public Schools, it's our goal that high school will be one of the most memorable experiences of our students' lives. The options and opportunities provided in each high school are geared toward helping every single student succeed academically and socially. Success stories aren't just handed out, they're earned. And high school students in Newport News are writing their own chapter every day as they become college, career, and citizen ready. Here are some dates for you to remember. April 1st through the 5th is spring break. Schools and offices will be closed for the entire week. And Thursday, April 11th, is freshman welcome night for all current 8th graders and their families. The event starts at 6 p.m., and you'll be able to take a tour of your high school, meet administrators and teachers, explore clubs and sports, and learn about courses and certifications. To determine which high school you'll attend, visit the school system's website or contact your current school. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful spring break.